Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about models of communication. So let's start. There are three models of communication. Number 1, linear model. Number 2, transactional model. Number 3, interactive model. So what is communication model? Let's define it. A communication model is a simple way of explaining how information is shared between people. It shows the steps involved, like a sender creating a message, the message being sent through a channel while talking, writing or signals, and the receiver understanding it. It also shows how things like noise, distraction or misunderstandings can affect how well the message is received. So the number 1 is linear model. The linear communication model is a simple way to describe how a message is sent from one person to another. In this model, one person, the sender, creates a message and sends it through a channel like speaking, writing or texting to another person, the receiver. The receiver gets the message but doesn't send anything back. It's like one-way street of communication. Here's a simple breakdown of linear model. Number 1, sender, the person who creates the message. Number 2, message, the information being shared. Number 3, channel, the method used to send the message like speech, writing or media. Number 4, receiver, the person who gets the message. This model doesn't include feedback, replies, or any distraction that might affect the message. It's all about the one-way flow of information. Transactional model. The transactional communication model is a way to describe how people communicate in a back and forth manner, where both participants are sending and receiving messages at the same time. Unlike the linear model, which is one way, the transactional model sees communication as a two-way process where both the sender and receiver are active in shaping the conversation. A transactional model includes 4 steps. Number 1, sender and receiver. Both people are senders and receivers of messages, meaning they both send and receive information. Number 2, feedback. Communication includes feedback, which is the response the receiver gives, letting the sender know how the message was understood. Number 3 is noise. External or internal distraction like background noise, misunderstandings or emotions can affect communication. Number 4 is context. The situation or environment in which the communication takes place influences how messages are sent and received. For example, in a conversation, both people are speaking and listening at the same time and they both send and receive feedback, making communication a dynamic and interactive. Interactive communication model is similar to the transactional model but with one key difference. It emphasizes two-way communication where both participants send and receive messages, and also it includes the idea of feedback at different points in the conversation.